Okay. Alright, hey guys. Alright, let's do this. Okay. Hello and welcome to our daily hour of Raptor development. Raptor is our Web3 version of Twitter. So here we go. What are we gonna do today? Today we're gonna add some functionality to our smart contract. Um, we'll try to add posts and follows, and maybe add some. If we can figure it out, maybe comment on posts. Uh, so yeah, for guys coming from Web 2, our smart contract is kind of like our back end. So nothing really front end or visual is gonna be created today. We're still chugging along with our smart contract, which acts as a data store, like a backend for that everything will be built around on. Okay, so let me just check my audio. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up our repo. Cool, great. So uh, we've left this off yesterday. Uh, I wasn't able to complete the a working automated test on stream, but I was able to complete it off stream, like after the stream. Okay, so now let's go back to our Raptor v1 solidity file, and let's try the follows first. Let's figure out how we can follow people. Okay, so I think we'd need see this. There's a bit of decisions to make here. So let's try follows. Should we use mappings or enumerable sets? Okay. So the easy way to do this would be to just use enumerable sets. Yeah, that would be like really nice to use. Mappings, on the other hand, might be more efficient gas wise. So a better gas efficiency just translates to cheaper costs for your users. So it translates into lower gas fees when submitting stuff into the blockchain. Okay, so let's see. Let's figure out how what's the difference in gas efficiency of mappings versus enumerable set gas. Let's see if somebody has figured this out. Let's open Zeppelin enumerable set gas increase. Let's see. utilities. Find it in the API. I don't think we'll be able to find it. That would be a good topic for a video though. Like, are enumerable sets, like OpenZeppelin's enumerable set, are they much more expensive than regular mappings? That'd be interesting to know. Yeah, it's not really. I would say it would cost more gas fee wise, but I don't know how much more over mappings though, because that would be really interesting, wouldn't it? Because like if the gas fee increase by using an enumerable set is, let's say just 5% or 10%, that would be an acceptable increase. But if it's like double, then let's just eat the pain in development, and that would be a worthwhile optimization to do. But right now, we do not know. Let's see if we can find some articles over on Google. Mapping enumerable set. Enumerable set. Access control. Okay, since we're doing it on Polygon, I don't think it should be it's that much big of a deal because it is on Polygon. But I'm not really sure though. Maybe we could just write 2 functions and then see how much gas cost. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just do that real quick. I think we could, right? Okay, let's see. What was I? Let's go back to OpenZeppelin. Enumerable set. I need this to be upgradable, the upgradable version. Using the upgrades, here we go. Enumerable set upgradable. Okay, let's try that. Import OpenZeppelin. What was the thing? Contracts, utils, structs. One times utils. Enumerable set. Okay, cool. And then what are we using this for? So I need followers and following. Right, okay, cool. So using all right, cool. I'm gonna do the address set. Okay. I'll just put it over here. Okay. And then let's just do something like what was that? Enumerable set, not address set. Test. And then mapping address to the address. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, here's the thing. That's why I think enumerable sets are very useful here because they just make it easy to implement arrays that map to an address. Whereas, like, yeah, here. All right, cool. Do they have to be private though? I think they have to. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, this is gonna be too complicated if we do not use enumerable sets. And if I just, yeah, it's gonna be a hard pass on doing this test because the boiler, like the overhead code to create it without enumerable sets would be huge, and we're just gonna waste a lot of time. So let's just, yeah, upgradable. Oops. Yeah, address set. I think that works. Okay. I think we'll, yeah, that's fine. I think so. Let's just go ahead and do address set. Will this even work? It needs to be private, right? Because you cannot. Yeah, okay, private. Let's go with follows. See, this is the hard part about naming shit. It's not. Stores the follows the account addresses that an account follows. Okay. And then what do we do? Okay. All right. That's, and then at the this stores the, yeah, that follow an account. Oh, followers. Yeah. I think that should, yeah, that should do it. You see, this was my dilemma though. Like, uh, doing doing this, like these two lines of code. If you do this without enumerable set, like with just straight up mappings, uh, you'll have to write so much more code than this. But then, yeah, that's the problem though. Because does this use so much more gas than than doing it without upgradable enumerable sets. Ah, I guess we'll see. We'll just see. All right, and then we'll write the functions to follow them. Right? Okay, let's do that. Notice function or sender. Okay. All right. See, it's so easy. Uh, if you use enumerable sets. But then again, yeah, gas fees. Unfollow. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, we'll need events though. Oh no. Yeah, this complex problem just triggered my sniffles, man. All right. Okay. Let's see. We'll just omit this. Then we'll need an event. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. So then, let's see if this compiles first. I still have my thing? Oh yeah, we still have our thing. Yeah, it did. Now, let's just commit this. I don't want to be too verbose on commits. So, follow. Characters and contents. Okay, cool. Now we want to test it. So let's go back to our test script. And I think we can just reuse this, huh? Why don't we just and we can just put this all in the describe. Okay. Now it's right, and then we can put all of this inside that. All right, cool. Let's see if this works first. We are using enumerable sets. Should probably be fine. We're on Polygon. And we're not charging anything for follows and unfollows. It's just gonna be gas fees anyway. Should be like, I don't know, like cents, like fractions of a cent. Probably. We'll see. Okay. Terminal. Oh God. Yeah, that worked. All right. So here want to describe follows um, okay. What to do U1 F1, which would, oh shit, never mind, should be here. U1 F1, U1 F2, U1 F3, right? Okay, that would stand for user 1 follower 1, user 1 follower 2, user 1 follower 3, correct? Yeah. Then U2 F1, U. Oh, you know what? I think this is some ugly shit. So let's not do that. What I would do is that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I would do is just const user 1 followers equals okay, const signers equal and then we can do signers 0, 5. Alright, are those 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 followers. Now let's just do 3. User 2 followers. Yeah, that sounds good. And then we can go ahead and export these. User 1 followers, user 2 followers. Great. Perfect. Okay. So let's see. Okay. What we need to be doing here is, all right. Yeah, why not? Let's try that. Come on, it's hard to follow. God damn it. Alright, never mind. Let's think of the best way to test this. Damn, bro. Can we use it here? Like, const. There's no, it's async, right? Yeah, we can't do that. Yeah, it's just an annoying part of testing. Like, okay. User 1. Okay. All right. It's follow user 1 and user 2. Let's just try that. Mm-hmm. That's a lot of code. All right, let's see. Why don't you just do no for once? Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot nicer. Let's just delete all of this. Okay. Okay. Let's check first. Ha ha ha. Where are we? Okay. Now, the thing that we should do is check account followed. Okay. To emit account followed. Account followed. All right. That should be fine. And then unfollow. You know, I think it should. Ugh, this is so annoying. Like, having the fixtures is great and all, but what if you actually want to preserve state, right? And yeah, we actually. Oh God. Okay. All right. Fine. Shit. Mm. Have fixtures. Jesus Christ, this isn't gonna work. User 1 and user 2 do not exist yet, right? Because you loaded the fixture. Then what is... Ugh, this is so annoying, bro. All right. Okay. Let's have this inside this describe. And let's remove this for now, because this will only apply to the accounts subsection. All right. Okay. Testing is so painful, but it really needs to be done. All right, right here. That sounds good. But now we'll have to make sure that we call the create functions. Create accounts for user 1 and 2. Yeah, that's good. Have members? No, bro. All right. So now let's just deal with that. Okay. Okay, let's just run that test. Yeah, that sounds good. So that works. Now we go back to our smart contract and we need to check. So these enumerable set mappings are private, so we need to have accessor functions in order to expose them. Okay, so we need to be doing is let's see, at notice this function. Yeah, the accounts that the sender follows. Get follows. That's good. Follow the sender. Yeah. We want to get like a count in this function return and number. So yeah. Set dot length. Let's check though. Oh no, that's not right. Yeah, there's a length. Nah. Okay, let's go back. All right. And then we shall see. Function will return the number of accounts that follow the sender. And hope we can get all this functionality that can fit inside the contract limits. We're up to 127 lines now. I don't know. We'll see. Try and compile that. I mean, we could always like, yeah, create another contract for it. Split the code in multiple contracts. We'll see. Let's go back to our test. Let me just commit that. Nah, never mind. I'll commit that later. And then get followers. Get. Yeah. We need to have members. Come on. Oh, okay. Yeah, that sounds good. And user one followers. Yeah. I mean, this is so. This is what the load fixtures thing did, because it doesn't store the state. I have to put it in such a gigantic it function. Like, I would have wanted to do each expect in its own test case, but because the load fixture, yeah, I have to find a way. Like, I have to learn more about this thing. But anyway, we're here. Let's just use it as it is. Oh, hmm, too many arguments. What? Yeah. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, that's too many. Connect user one, and then we'll just remove that. That's wrong. Yeah. User two. Then move this from here. User two. Then we can do. Yep. That's right. That is correct. Okay, cool. That should work now. Yeah, perfect. All these things are working. Uh, we want to check. Check. User one followers. They follow user one. No, not is following. Get following. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. So all this does is that it checks if the respective followers are really following. So I know this can be like very redundant and very trivial, but trust me, like in my experience, most of this doesn't actually add value to whatever it is you're building. Like the line count itself, it may not look to justify like writing just tons and tons of tests. It may seem pointless at times until you catch a critical bug. Like just one critical bug will justify having to cover all the lines of code in your smart contract. So yeah, you just have to be patient here. I mean, this is just due diligence. Yeah. And I mean, it's just needed, especially for smart contracts. More so if they have like value, like with tokens and such. Okay. All right. Cool. Now, what we want to do. Can admins withdraw? Yeah, let's figure that out later. Let's see if this works. Uh, 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 Get following is not a function. Get followers. Okay. Get followers. Get followers count. Oh, it should be get follows. Get follows. Oh, I'm typing follow so much. The word follow looks weird to me now. Like, do you ever get a feeling like you feel like the word is somehow misspelled, but it's spelled right? You see it in the code too many times, it just looks weird. Okay, let's try that. Oh, come on. Get follows count. Okay. Now we want to user one first and second the user one. Let's try that. Oops. Man. Look at args. User. Yeah, that's fine. And then let's try for user two. User two is for, let's just do third follower for user two. Follower, follow user two. Let's try it. Let's try to run it. Alright, I need a break. Hang on. Alright. Cool. We're back now. Okay. Okay. So did that work? Yeah, that worked. So now let's try and check. User wants followers. It's two, right? No, just one now. What is this talking about? No, bro. That's wrong. First and second followers will unfollow. So you have the third follower left, right? Okay. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Should be good. Go on, yeah. User one wants first and second follower should no longer follow user one. Not have. Sure. Use for yeah. But user wants third follower should still follow user one. All right. Cool. See what I mean? Like you spend more time testing than actually writing code. But for smart contracts, this really is necessary. Like this is a necessary evil. No, bro. Oh, okay. That works though. Yeah, that's right. Cool. And then yeah. B2. Check users. Oh. Alright. Yeah, that works. That's correct. Seems to check out user once first. Follow user two. Get follows. Alright. Yeah, that works. Oh. Let's see if we got that right. Yep. Everything checks out. Cool. Whew. That was a lot of work. Now let's try, I don't know, creating a post. Yeah, okay. We'll do that. Oh, it's getting longer. Let's commit this first. Just updated. No problem. Raptor V1, that's all. Edit. Hello. Follower. Special functions. Yes. Okay, that's good. All right. Follow and unfollow. And then follow and follow. Tests. Okay. That should be good. All right. Now we want to be testing. I need so I'll just pause to think that what it I mean eh, this project won't probably, get to the scale of millions of users. I mean, this is more of a proof of concept really. But what happens if you have millions of followers and then you're gonna get them all at once? Like, how would that work, right? I mean, I don't think any blockchain has really tested. Is there a pagination kind of thing? Let's see. Let's just see. I'm just curious. Solidity, paginated, innumerable set. Oh, somebody actually has. This already exists, list all. Shit, assembly code. Yeah, there's. I mean, shit. If it really comes down to it, well, yeah, it's probably too complicated to figure out for now. But yeah. All right. We are reaching our 1 hour limit. So yeah, let's just finish our daily hour of streaming for now, and we will get to we'll get to our posts tomorrow. Okay, cool. Yeah, that should do it for now. See you guys tomorrow.